Size Super Simple Recipes number 42. Cheese and onion bread. I haven't done one of these for a while for various reasons, but somebody sent me a really unusual recipe to make a cheese and onion bread. I don't normally do bread because of all the kneading and rising and all that bollocks anyway. So the first thing we're going to do, stick the oven on to 180 and we need to grease the loaf tin. Just going to use a little bit of lard for this. But make sure it's well greased. Otherwise you'll never get the bread out. The reason I liked this recipe was it's really strange. I've never come across a recipe like it, and everything gets mixed in one bowl. Right, so that's that bit done. We'll set that aside. And I'll come back when we're ready to start the mixture. A really nice person got me this t-shirt, which I think is all in all pretty accurate. So for this recipe everything mixes in one bowl. It's really strange. So we start with 250 grams of self-raising flour, ,125 grams of mature grated cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of rock salt, and 1 tablespoon of onion granules. This is something I had not come across before, but they give a fantastic flavour to it. So now we're going to make a well in the middle of that. Give it a good crack of black pepper as well. Into there, crack an egg. Add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt. This is Greek style, but any natural yogurt will do. And into there we're going to add semi-skim milk. It takes about 250 mils, but it's such an odd mix. What you're looking for, oh, hang on, I'll manage that. What you're looking for is a thick batter as opposed to a dough. And I didn't think it was going to work when I first tried this, but it does. So there's our battery mix. I want to try to get it well amalgamated so that you don't get soft spots developing in the bread itself. And that goes straight into your loaf tin. Smooth it around a little bit just to get it flattened out. This should rise to almost double the size. Wow. Oh, the onion granules make a big difference. Right, that goes into your oven. It says it takes 50 minutes, but I would start checking it after about 40 so it doesn't burn. So I'll stick that in. And I'll come back in about 40 minutes and we'll see where we are. Our loaf has been in the oven now for 40 minutes. And I'm going to start checking it to see if it's cooked through. Let's see what we've got. Well, it's risen. So what I'm going to do is pop a knife in, and if it comes out clean, that needs a few more minutes. I'll keep checking it every 5 minutes or so until it's cooked through. The bread's now been in for a total of 50 minutes. So let's see where we are now. That's all good, nice coming out clean. So let's see if we can turn it out. This should be fun. Perfecto. Size cheese and onion bread goes lovely with soups or stews, but we're going to serve it tonight with some chilli. Job done.